Welcome to the fourth course of the Intelligent and Integrated Energy Systems MOOC. This course is focused on the past, present, and future business models in energy systems. My name is Yashar Qiyasi Farofal. I'm an associate professor at Rotterdam School of Management, Erasmus University. I'm also the academic director of Smart Energy at Erasmus Center for Data Analytics. My research interests are aligned with energy transition, including renewable energy, storage, electricity markets, electric vehicles, microgrids, and sector coupling. This course has 5 modules. I'm the main instructor of Module 1 and Module 3. The main instructor of Module 2 is Mohammad Ansarin, and the main instructor of Module 4 and 5 is Ayman Abdelwahed. Both of them are from the Rotterdam School of Management, and they will introduce themselves in detail at the beginning of their modules. This course is the fourth and the last course of the Intelligent and Integrated Energy Systems Energy MOOC. The first course of this MOOC focuses on technologies and the second course on digitalization. These 2 courses mostly take an engineering approach dealing with the technical aspects of technologies and digitalization. The third course takes a different perspective, being the impact of policy and markets on decision-making in energy systems. In this course, we take a managerial standpoint by focusing on the evolution of various business models in energy systems, how these business models change over time, and the prospects of those to be evolved in the future. While this course is very complementary to the rest of the MOOC, it is also a standalone module for those who are only focused on the business and managerial aspects of energy systems. This course aims to provide a holistic and comprehensive overview of the business models and business directions that are evolving because of the energy transition. Energy systems have multiple components in different dimensions and different layers. As such, we have included the most integral components of energy systems in this module. In each module, we'll focus on one of these components, and we will discuss the business models and their evolutions in the context of that component. The first module investigates the revolutionary changes in wholesale and retail electricity markets due to deregulation. The second module dives into innovations that are happening in electricity trading and trading platforms. The third and fourth modules focus on sector coupling and system integration, in which the electricity sector can benefit by interacting with, for example, gas and heat networks, as well as the transportation sector. Finally, Module 5 entails some of the applications of digitalization in the energy system and smart cities, and how digitalization can help in energy transition. The overall learning goal of this course can be summarized as follows. By the end of this course, practitioners can interpret the reason behind the evolution of new business models in the energy landscape and develop an understanding of the promising technologies and the trends in these contexts. Entrepreneurs can learn about the latest innovations in how electricity is traded. Engineers and designers can analyze retail and wholesale market mechanisms and study the impact of different investment and operational decisions on market efficiency. Policymakers can identify the most effective policies to move towards a competitive, sustainable, efficient, and competitive deregulated market. Grid operators can evaluate the impact of different investment and operational scenarios and choose the best scenarios. Business owners can identify promising trends and investments in energy landscape and smart cities and set their strategies accordingly. Due to the ambitions of this course, which is focusing on business models, we are privileged to have several relevant guest speakers from academia, industry, policymakers, and research institutes to have a complementary and comprehensive view on the interdisciplinary nature of energy transition. In particular, from the academic side, we have guest speakers from Rotterdam School of Management, the Technical University of Delft, Denmark Technical University, Amsterdam University of Applied Science, and Technical University of Clausthal. From the industry side, we have guest speakers from IBM, as well as an HVAC energy management consulting company called DWA. From policymakers and governmental or semi-governmental institutes, we have guest speakers from the European Commission, the Municipality of Rotterdam, and the distribution system operator called Stedin. Finally, we have also guest speakers from two well-established energy research-based organizations and institutes being ELAT and EURAC. This course is structured as the following. Each module includes some videos and some reading materials. The learners should go through both. At the end of each module, there are 5 multiple choice questions on the video content as well as the reading materials. These multiple choice questions ensure that the learners have grasped the main content of each module. At the end of the course, there is also a course project, which is to build a business model on energy systems, given the information acquired in this course. We try to keep this course an updated and useful course. We hope you will enjoy it.